What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arcway, a new direction of a modern man. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to dress like John Legend. So if any of you guys have aspirations to dress like John Legend, or you guys find him as like this fashion role model, this is a video for you. So yet again, guys, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe to the section down below, and also comment in the section down below of who you guys want to see me style next, either as a public figure or a celebrity. It's your choice. Make sure you leave in the comment section down below, and I'll be going through all those comments. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to break down 3 characteristics that I believe John Legend has, and that which you can implement into your own style to evolve your style and just to grow as a person through fashion. First and foremost, let's get right into John Legend. You guys may have known him for his iconic music, a voice of an angel. John Legend. So I'm gonna get into a few things about John Legend I truly believe that he has, and that which you can embody through his own fashion and his own highlights. So let me get right into this. So this is the silver fox of the modern man, and this is something you should listen up to because it shows maturity. It shows that he knows how to dress for his age, and that is something rare when it does come down to a lot of people where they do not know how to dress for their age, and they kind of dress too young or they dress way too old. But he has a mix of understanding what works for him and what doesn't. So I'm gonna talk about a few different things so you guys have a better understanding. So we can see him right here where he's wearing a pastel violet suit with some, I think those are chukka shoes, but right there is showing someone who's really mature within his own style and is comfortable with who he is as a person and is embracing that. Someone of that stature, someone who's able to wear clothes like that, that's frankly someone just being mature. Someone likes what they like and they wear it. Now it's gonna be counterintuitive now because it's not only about dressing your age, but not dressing too young. But this is the sweet spot. So John Legend, he's wearing a varsity jacket with an all-white t-shirt, some denim jeans and white shoes, but the way he puts it on, it works. You don't look at it and say, is he trying to go back to the Heisman Trophy days? Well, this is the look of, this is what I like, and so I wear it, and I'm just expressing myself in a different way. So this is just a great example of someone who's mature, but also can dip into, the euphoria of the high school era in maturity. I think a look like this for the Grammys is quite mature, and it's also quite groundbreaking at the same time. As in North America culture, you may not see a lot of clothing that is long, like a skirt but if you look into European fashion, you've seen the Scottish men, they wear kilts. So this is what I mean by maturity. When you see John Legend wear a full suit, but it's a little bit different, that long kilt looking piece of the suit, that's inspiration from the Scottish. That is something they wear. One thing I want to mention about John Legend, that he's very, very comfortable with what he wears. You can see him right here with his wife and his baby, that he's wearing a linen shirt, some short pants, and some classic white sneakers. That's like the basis of a minimalistic man, but at the same time, he's just comfortable with what he wears. And I think that's the essence of when it comes down to someone who's fashionable, but also relaxed and laid back. You just feel comfortable with what you wear and you feel confident in it. That's the most important thing. Yet again, another picture of him and his lady. Sweatshirt, all black sweatshirt, casual pants, and then you got some low cropped shoes. Nothing cuffed, nothing tailored. It's just letting it fall down at the end of his pants. One thing I like about John Legend as well is that not only that he lives comfortable, but he knows how to turn the ignition on. So what I mean by that, he knows when to turn the emblem on the burner. When it comes down to his sweaters, or it comes down to his bomber jackets, that's when he kind of really puts on a show. That's when he kind of really boasts. That's when he kind of peacocks through his own maturity, but his own style. So that being said, when it comes down to wearing his suits, when it comes down to wearing his bombers, you can see multiple patterns, multiple designs. That's where he really shows off his style, especially when it comes down to a lot of patterns. It's either the patterns is in the shirt and the blazer and the pants are neutral tones or just a solid color, or it's the blazer that has the patterns. He always has the eye perspective of attraction, where it's what he's wearing is either going to get looked at or never ignored. It's always going to be spotted in someone's peripherals. So that is something I mean by someone who is able to command attention through what they wear, through something subtle but also something direct. I think there's no one better that does it in a modern senior Silver Fox way than John Legend, because I truly see how he develops his style for doing it, again, because this is a simplistic way of how you can actually stand out within your own style. If you are not the type to be flamboyant, if you're not the type to be a showboater, you can be simple but also stand out in the way you dress by wearing certain things. So neutral tones and patterns is something that he masters pretty well, and I love how he puts them all together into one. So I just want to share those insights, and if you guys want to see more of these videos, make sure you guys comment in the section down below. Let me know who you guys want to see in the next video, and I'll style break down their outfits so you guys can get the best advice, so you guys can emphasize and enhance your style. And thank you guys for watching Arcway, a new direction of a modern man. My name is Mr. Lou, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.